Okay, so this is worksheet 11C.1, the reducing balance method. We will start off with the table. So reducing balance method, right? There's actually only one formula. Okay, so okay, where's my memory essence? Okay, never mind. So basically the formula, all right, is a percentage times open bracket, okay, your cost minus accumulated depreciation. All right. So please put the bracket. If not, sometimes you may get a negative number. So for furniture, the cost price is 2,000. The estimated useful life is 10 years. The purchase date is actually on the very first day, 1st Jan 2009. And the depreciation rate is 10%. Okay. Okay. So let's just apply the formula. First, for the first year, it's just 10%. Multiply by the cost price is 2,000. There is no accumulated depreciation in the first year. So your answer is just 200. Okay, so how much depreciation have you accumulated so far? Total depreciation accumulated is just basically 200. Okay, then for your net book value is always cost minus accumulated depreciation. That's the formula for net book value. So it's just 2,000, which is the cost, minus accumulated 200, you get 1,008. Okay, so far it still looks pretty similar to what we did for straight line method. Okay, it's the second one. Second year, right, is 10% times cost price is 2,000 minus the opening accumulated. All right, so that means how much have you accumulated during the past years? All right, so it will be 200. Okay, which is actually this figure. Just bring it down. Can? Yeah, let me change it back to blue. Okay, so your number will be a bit smaller, 180. So accumulated depreciation, last year's depreciation plus this year's depreciation. So now it's 380. Okay, so net book value is cost minus accumulated. So you get 1620. Okay, so you can see that the net book value should go down over the years as you use up the NCA. Okay, then the last one is basically just 10% times 2,000 minus, this one you have to be careful. Don't minus the previous year depreciation, minus the opening accumulated depreciation, which is 380. All right, so you should get 162. All right, it's good to highlight to yourself that this 380 is from here. Okay. Okay, so accumulated is 380 plus 162. So you get 542. Net book value is basically your cost minus accumulated 1458. All right. So what's the difference between straight line method and reducing balance method? Basically, reducing balance method, right? You realize your annual depreciation goes down over the years. First year is 200, second year 180, third year 162. Why is that so? Because every year you will have this. This is the only difference in the formula, right? Of course, straight line method, sometimes you minus something also, but you always minus the scrap value. Reducing balance method, no scrap value is given. What you minus off, right, is the accumulated depreciation from the previous years. Okay, so because of this, the amount will get smaller and smaller over the years. Okay, so basically for application wise, you can read through your memory essence to look at the reason, okay, why we, have I opened this? Okay, okay, sorry, wait, let's shift this, oh, okay. Okay, the reason why we use reducing balance method. Okay, down here. So this is on page 47 of your memory essence. So basically, right, for straight line method, of course, every year you expense off the same amount. So you are actually saying that the NCA earn income evenly over its useful life. But for reducing balance method is for NCA that earns more income in the earlier years than in its later years. Okay, so maybe a good example will be like a machine. All right, in the very first year, it works very well, but over the years, right, maybe it slows down, maybe it breaks down more often. All right, yeah, the thing get wear and tear, so it will help you earn lesser income in the later years. Okay, so you just read the question. If they ask you for suitability, you can state these reasons. Okay. All right, that's all. Then you can finish up worksheet 11C.1.